YouTube is changing its monetization requirements in 2027. And if you're planning to start a YouTube channel, you need to know about this. But don't panic just yet, because this change does not affect every creator in the same way. Welcome to Amos Scam Lens. Let's break down exactly what YouTube is changing in simple terms. Right now, to qualify for the main YouTube Partner Program revenue sharing, you generally need 1,000 subscribers, plus either 4,000 valid public watch hours in the last 12 months, or 10 million valid public shorts views within 90 days. But starting February 1st, 2027, YouTube is increasing the requirements for new creators applying for this level of monetization. The subscriber requirement stays at 1,000. But the performance requirement changes. Instead of 4,000 watch hours, new creators will need 8,000 valid public watch hours. Or instead of 10 million shorts views, they will need 20 million valid public shorts views within 90 days. So basically, 1,000 subscribers plus 8,000 watch hours. Or 1,000 subscribers plus 20 million shorts views. That's double the current watch hour or shorts view requirement. Now here's the part I don't want you to misunderstand. If you're already a member of the YouTube Partner Program, YouTube is not saying that you suddenly need 8,000 watch hours or 20 million shorts views just to stay monetized. These new higher entry requirements are for new creators applying for the main ad and YouTube Premium revenue sharing level after February 1st, 2027. So if you're already monetized, don't panic. But there is another important change for Shorts creators. To receive revenue from Shorts advertising and subscriptions, YouTube says creators will need at least 10 million qualified Shorts views in the previous 90 days. And again, this is different from the 20 million views required for new creators to enter the main revenue sharing tier. Think about it this way. 20 million Shorts views is the new entry requirement for new creators. 10 million Shorts views is the performance threshold connected to Shorts revenue sharing. They're two different things. So what does this mean if you're planning to start a YouTube channel? My advice is simple. Don't wait until 2027. Start now. You have time to learn how YouTube works, build an audience, improve your videos, and work toward monetization under the current requirements. And remember, the goal shouldn't just be hitting a number. Whether it's 4,000 hours, 8,000 hours, 10 million views, or 20 million views. You still need people who actually want to watch your content. So focus on making useful, original videos that people enjoy watching. If you're already a YouTube creator, don't let the headlines scare you. The new 8,000 hour and 20 million shorts thresholds are aimed at new creators applying for the main revenue sharing level after February 1st, 2027. Existing YPP creators are not simply being asked to reach those new entry numbers to remain in the program. So now you know what's actually changing. If you're planning to start a YouTube channel in 2026 or 2027, let me know in the comments. And if you want more straightforward videos about YouTube, online platforms, apps, and things happening on the internet, subscribe to Amos Scam Lens. I'll see you in the next one.